In this video, we're going to talk about how you can link Chime to Zelle. So the first thing I want to say is that you cannot do it directly, so you sadly can't directly link Chime to Zelle. However, the easiest way is to use Chime's Pay Anyone feature. So to do this, it's actually quite simple. All you have to do is just go to Chime's app, and then at the very bottom, you want to click Pay Anyone, which is this button over here. And then once you tap this, if the recipient isn't using Chime, you cannot put in their Chime sign. However, you can use their email address or phone number. So you want to put in their email or phone, and then after you've done that, you can simply confirm it and then enter in the amount you would like to send. Then you want to press pay, which is this button over here, and yet again, you want to confirm your payment and you're done. So even though you weren't able to link Chime to Zelle, you were still able to send money via Chime's Pay Anyone feature. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.